Welcome to my channel. My name is Karl Ozaeta. In today's video, I'll be sharing my absolute favorite shortcut keys in Excel. Let's get started. In front of us is a worksheet with a list of favorite American foods. I'll be using it to demonstrate what each of the shortcut keys does. Let's start with Ctrl Shift 8. The shortcut allows me to select the entire data range without needing to drag the mouse to highlight all the columns and rows. This is useful when I want to apply an outline or border to my data. So if I want to apply a thick border around the data range, I would click on any cell within the data range and then press Ctrl Shift 8. And then on the top menu, click Thick Outside Border. And if I click away, the data range now shows a thick black border. Next, Ctrl T. The shortcut allows me to convert a data range into a table. Just click on any of the cells within the data range, then press Ctrl T, accept the default, and click OK. And just like that, your data is now a table. Next, Ctrl Z. The shortcut allows me to undo any action I just performed. So previously we converted the data range into a table and applied a border to our data range. To undo all the actions we performed, just press Ctrl Z. So to remove the table, press Ctrl Z, and then to remove the border, press Ctrl Z again. Next, Ctrl 1. The shortcut gets me to the Format Cells window quickly, where I usually adjust the alignment settings, such as horizontal or vertical alignment and wrapping of text. Let's click Cancel to exit. Next, Ctrl Shift L. The shortcut adds a filter to the column headings, and it also hides the filter preventing people from sorting your data. For example, to add column filter so that we can sort the food column alphabetically, let's click on any cell within the data range and then press Ctrl Shift L. Now that the filter has been added, let's click the Sort button and select Sort A to Z. To remove the filter, press Ctrl Shift L and the filter is gone. Next, Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Ctrl C for copy and Ctrl V to paste. These two always go together. This saves me time from needing to type information that is already listed. So if I want to copy the entire row for mac and cheese below Reuben sandwich, instead of typing the info again, we would just highlight the row, then press Ctrl C, and then click on the cell just under Reuben sandwich and press Ctrl V to paste the information. Next, Ctrl X and Ctrl V. Unlike Ctrl C where it copies the info, with Ctrl X, it cuts the info and you can move it to another location. But similar to Ctrl C, you'll need Ctrl V to paste what you cut. So say we want to move this list of shortcuts a row down so that we can add a heading. We would select rows A1 to A8, then press Ctrl X. Then select A2 since we want to move it a row down, then press Ctrl V to paste. Then in A1, we could enter favorite shortcuts and make it bold. And finally, Ctrl F. The shortcut allows me to find text, numbers, or strings. So if I press Ctrl F, the Find and Replace window pops up. Enter what you'd like Excel to find. We could type 605 and then press Find All, and Excel will return where 605 is located. As you've probably noticed with Ctrl F, you also get the Replace option, which honestly I rarely use. But if you want to replace 605 calories with 450, then in the Replace With field, enter 450 and then click Replace. And Excel will replace 605 with 450. And those are my favorite shortcuts that I always use when I'm working in Excel. If you have a favorite shortcut that you would like to share, comment below. Thanks for stopping by, and I will see you in the next video.